Our bilateral dense mirroring mode is now complete, and it looks pretty cool. So let's get into the code review before we run out of time, because this is a very fast code review. So let's go. So we're going to look over all the 440 deltas. So in the MIRMAID function section, in the MIRMAID editor, put U32 symmetric mirroring code, so the symmetric bilateral code. In the bilateral mirroring loop, where we iterate through X, Y, and D selections, within this new section, this is a new section called non-transform dense. It's only going to be executed when the triple loop selects for D, and within the XYD bits, the D bit is turned on. So if that's true, we have the transformed X and Y and the transformed uint32, the binary tile value. So we're going to transform these 3 points. We're only going to plot the point if OKLPP gets set to true, and it'll get set to true if we make one of these selections down here. So if we're mirroring on both the X and Y, and that has been selected for, so if it's been selected for, if it's been selected for by the triply nested loop, and if it's been selected for by our input bit field. So if it's been selected for, we're going to get the non-transformed coordinate here, and then we are going to take that coordinate and we're going to rotate it counterclockwise. And then we're also going to rotate the internals counterclockwise. Now, I don't know why both of them are rotating counterclockwise, because the output goes from here to here, which is clockwise, but I give up trying to understand it. It works, okay? So we're going to set OKLPP to true to load the plot point, and then there's these other selections. There's these other combinations of selections, like when the triply nested loop selects only for X, and these bits are selected by our input bit mask, and then when the triply nested loop selects for Y, and our bit flags select for this. Like, I don't know if stuff goes here yet. We'll find out in the future. And then we have a do nothing here. So if OKLPP is selected, we're going to get the next plot point. We're going to increase the length of our triply paired array, and we're going to load these points into our buffer of plot points, and then we'll plot them later down in this code right here. So here's what we did previously, here's our footnotes, and here's what we did in this video. I gotta go, so like, subscribe, send money in the mail. I am Kanji Coder.